With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome back to another pre-ISE 2025 edition of my Rants and Raves videocast. There's a lot going on at ISE, and one of the companies I'm going to spend a lot of time in their booth is Yealink, not just because of their new products, but I'm also leading an educational session in their booth. And I'm excited to be joined with Fuhan Lee, who is the product marketing lead for Yealink. Fuhan, I'm especially excited for ISE. I'm sure you are as well.
Yeah, hi Gary, thank you for having me. And hello to everyone who follows Yealink and rAVe pubs, especially those gearing up for ISE.
Yeah, and you know, there'll be a lot of people going to ISE, but even if you're not at the show, as you know, we're going to cover it, and you can see all of our coverage at ravepubs.com/ISE. So if you're not able to go, you'll be able to see what Yealink is going to do. And I can guarantee you there's a lot of buzz already, Fuhan, about your solutions for Microsoft Teams and Zoom rooms, which has been a big focus for you in 2024. For 2025, when we go to your stand, and that is in Hall 2 R500, when we go to your stand, what are we going to see and what are we going to experience?
Yeah, that's correct. Our booth is 2R500. At Yealink, our mission is clear: to simplify, enhance, and secure communication. From business phones to meeting devices and headsets, AI is at the heart of our innovations this year. So last year at ISE, we showcased the S40, featuring our AI-driven telefocus tracking technology, which received fantastic feedback. Besides this, we are among the first to integrate multi-streaming telephone feature and Copilot into MDR solutions. And 2025 is going to be a milestone year for Yealink. Several new products equipped with high computing power and better experience. As you may know, that we have just announced the M Tower on Microsoft Ignite. Center view intelligent camera powered by the Qualcomm 8550 processor. There are also exciting upgrades for our meeting board, meeting bar series, and pro-AV solutions. Those will be showcased in ISE 2025 as well. To give attendees a real taste of the future, we've set up a fully equipped demo room where visitors can experience truly immersive virtual meetings. Make sure to stop by. We promise it'll be worth your time.
I mean, I'm definitely going to be by there. I know AI, you mentioned AI, and yeah, I saw your IntelliFocus last year. Actually, we gave it an award for ISE last year. ISE is going to be a big thing. AI is going to be a big thing at ISE this year. How do you envision Yealink sort of shaping the future of UC and with regard to your leadership in AI?
Yeah, that's an excellent question, Gary. AI is everywhere this year. For Yealink, it's all about fostering smarter and more inclusive meeting experiences. It isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating equity and immersion in every meeting space. Features we called IntelliFocus deliver faster and more precise tracking for multiple speakers. And now this feature is also available in multi-camera solution as well. We've been broadening the application of AI in our solution. Not just the meeting experience, but also the efficiency of solution design and deployment. And MDEP, the Microsoft device ecosystem platform, is also a very important topic in this year. At Yealink, innovation is in our DNA, but we are equally committed to security. This year, we launched several Android solutions built on the Microsoft device ecosystem platform, reinforcing security on Android devices and ensuring trust in the AI era. MTEP addresses a critical need for our enterprise clients while showcasing how we safeguard AI-powered solutions.
Obviously, ISE is going to be exciting for you, but I've also heard there's going to be a surprise introduction in your stand.
Yeah, absolutely. As I mentioned before, in our vision, AI is not just serve for meeting experience. It can also help to improve the efficiency in design and deployment. We're thrilled to introduce AVOne in IC, a one-stop solution designed for modern meeting spaces with effortless deployment and management. Don't miss the opportunity to see it in action at Yealink booth. We can't wait to share this exciting thing to you.
I know I'm not allowed to ask too many questions about AV1, but is it going to be, you're going to demo it at ISE. Are you going to ship it soon after?
Actually, we'll demo the product and showcase all the elements of the AVOne at that moment.
At ISE in booth 2R500. Of course, you can learn all about everything we talked about today, except for AV1, which will be launched officially at ISE in booth 2R500, or go to yealink.com. Yealink.com, easy to find them. Fuhan, thank you very much for joining me today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for your time. Yeah.
And don't forget, all of our ISE coverage is at ravepubs.com/ISE. Thank you very much for joining us.
Okay.
rAVe Radio with rAVe.